Hi. Which burns better? Powdered KNO3 rocket fuel that you have to pack into a PVC tube, or cooked KNO3 fuel, which you can cook on low heat, form, and put into a PVC tube. So I'm going to set this over here so it doesn't catch fire when this goes off. I'm going to pour out about an equal amount of KNO3 rocket fuel equal to the cooked amount. This is 65% potassium nitrate with 35% sugar. Okay. Not extremely impressive, but it was all right. Now let's try the cooked rocket fuel. Wow. Holy crap. So, powdered rocket fuel versus cooked rocket fuel, which do you think did better? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.